up, y'all? So it's day like 3 or 4 of the daily vlogs, and I want to welcome you guys to this channel. If you have found this channel from my other channel, what's up, girl? Leave a heart in the comments, or leave a I came from the other channel in the comments. But happy to have you guys on both my channels, and I appreciate you guys for basically tuning in to both of this chaotic mess of my life that I have going on. So right now I am in front of my computer screen. Ignore my gaming monitor, whatever you want to call it. But right now I'm in front of my iMac, and I have not created this channel yet. So right now I am about to create this channel so that I can go ahead and post it on my vlog that is dropping tomorrow. Y'all, I got me a snack that I seen on TikTok. So I got this from Walmart, and I needed a snack because I need something to calm me down. And I got these cookies. To this company, these cookies used to be so fucking hard, they used to almost break my teeth. Right now they are super soft and so damn stale. Girl, please. But yeah, y'all need to send me another box, because I'm not going all the way back to Walmart just for this, and Walmart is almost 20-30 minutes away from my house. I'm not going back. So y'all need to send me another box. But yeah, I got my calm snack, I got my computer up right now. Let me pull up Safari. Y'all, when I tell y'all, I got so many pages up, and I'm gonna turn y'all around so y'all can be able to see. But this is my personal channel. So with my weekly vlogs, let me show y'all. So I'm gonna set y'all up right here. Like I said, these videos that I'm making now is like raw and uncut. So I'm gonna show you guys pretty much everything. I've already kind of uploaded the videos, y'all. So, and I'm investing in the mic, so y'all just bear with me. So this is my other channel, and for some odd reason I'm gonna move my dolls out the way. This is as high as it goes, but as y'all can see, this channel is at 923 subscribers right now. I don't know if I need to zoom in or make this bigger so y'all can see. I think I'm gonna try to make it bigger. Let me try to make it. Ignore all of that. I be watching movies on here because the screen is like super duper damn big. But right here it says 923. Not sure if you guys can see. I'm gonna try to zoom in a little bit so y'all can see, and I'm gonna bring it close also so y'all can really see. But right now my I Am Nicole, just a regular channel, is at 923 subs. I post on this channel weekly, so every Sunday I post a vlog on this channel. I try to stay up with the shorts, but to be honest, y'all, like a lot of times my shorts be getting shadow banned because I just take them directly from TikTok. But I'm gonna get like better with that. As y'all can see, partially blocked, just for sound, just because YouTube, I'm gonna be honest with y'all don't really have no good sounds for videos. But right now we're gonna go ahead and create another channel. So I'm going to switch channels, and I am going to sign out. Which another thing is, and let me bring y'all off of my tabs. Another thing, this one, and y'all don't need to see that. Like, I'm gonna use this page. Let me double check what my password is. Say my password was changed 30 days ago. I'm gonna try this one. My password is normally the same. And Lonnie, come get my phone. Never mind, I got it. I'll do that later. I don't feel like doing that right now. Okay, y'all, so I am about to go ahead and create that page. I already have an email for it. I'm gonna move this down so I can really be able to see. I don't know what's going on with YouTube right now. Let me try to refresh it one more time. Ooh, it said oops. Okay, let me take this off. Alright, so as y'all can see, for whatever reason, do I need to go to like YouTube Studio to do this? Let me try YouTube Studio. It's probably gonna take me back to Google. Yeah. Alright, so it just welcome creators, whatever. Is that DDG? Oh girl, I'm about to say YouTube. Y'all doing live modes. Girl, is that Ken? No, it's not Ken. Girl, what is going on? Anyway, let me go to YouTube Studio, because this is not YouTube Studio. Alright, so YouTube Studio looks like this. And right now, So it's asking me to create a channel. Y'all see my other channel in the background over here with the little puppy. So my handle is going to be I am Nicole with 2 eyes, just like my other channel. And then should I do unseen or hidden or vlogs? I am Nicole vlogs, or should I do daily vlogs? I'm gonna do unseen. All right, so that one is good to go. I got my name here. Hopefully it does not display my first and last name, because I do not feel like being bothered with people like that. Okay, so channel is good. Let's see. Yep, it is under the right. Let's make sure the email is good. So yeah, it's I am Nicole Unseen. I feel like I know that number, but then I don't know for sure if I know that number or not. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all. So I was gonna do I am Nicole Unseen, but I honestly don't. I feel like that's too long. So I'm gonna do I am Nicole Vlogs. So I'm gonna just keep it like that. Hopefully they let me change it, because so they let me change it. Alright, so now I just gotta add my picture, which I don't think I have a picture on here. I'm gonna have to do it from my phone. I'm just gonna try to search it, if that makes sense. So let's go to YouTube, like the homepage, and type in I am Nicole Vlogs, and then see if it come up. So damn, I don't think it's gonna come up, y'all. I gotta probably put something on now. Alright, so this is my channel. Did I publish it? Let me see. Because you know you gotta publish it. Alright. Yeah, it's published. Let me see. YouTube Studios. I don't think I see. Yeah, so right here I'm currently at 0 subscribers. So y'all go subscribe to that channel. I'm about to edit the first vlog, so y'all gonna watch me edit that vlog. Hopefully it takes me less than 12 minutes to upload it. So I'm gonna edit that, save it from my laptop, and then we gonna get it uploaded. So let's go. And y'all, like, I haven't tried this yet, but let me show y'all how it looks. So it's a no-bake cheesecake. It comes in a big ass bowl like this. When you open it, this is how it looks. And I just seen a girl eating this with Nella Nella cookies, so I'm gonna try it and let y'all know how it tastes right quick. So I'm gonna scoop the top off, because I don't want to scoop in the bowl. I was on the phone with my brother, y'all. Wait, that cheesecake low-key good. Wait, hold on. That cheesecake bust. Boy, you eat this with some Biscoff cookies? Oh, go eat every time. It's good as a bit. I need to let my big back ass churn try it. Hold on. Alright, so I'm gonna let y'all taste it. You gotta hurry up.
What does it taste like? It's so satisfying.
It's satisfying too?
Yes.
Why does that look like whipped cream?
You don't like it? Give it to Nala.
My turn.
Get it. You wanted something too? She ain't about to waste my cheesecake. Yeah. Come in the camera, too. Come behind me. Watch out, Tutu. Come behind me, Toon. What does it taste like?
I don't really like it because
it's good. If it get hot, it's gonna melt. It's good, Nala. It's like cheesecake, huh? Tutu,
you put out the jelly on it.
Oh, join in the tub, huh?
You got to add some jelly.
Some jelly?
I really want real cheesecake now. I don't like that because I better not show Daddy because he's gonna eat it.
I'm gonna let him taste it later.
He's gonna eat it.
This is so good. But I'm about to edit my video, so Okay, you guys, so I've done everything, inputted everything. So now the channel is live. I do have a couple videos, but I noticed as I was editing this last video about me creating this channel, I did not finish it out. So I'm about to do that with you guys now. So if you go to YouTube, you are going to be able to search my name, which would be I Am Nicole Vlogs. So it's right here. You just click on it. Then it's going to bring you to here. This is what my profile picture from my vlog channel looks like. As y'all can see, I'm 1 subscriber strong, but I'm staying consistent no matter what. So basically here are the 2 vlogs that I currently have, which is like a morning routine that I uploaded 4 days ago. This one was 3 days ago. So this video that I'm about to upload is like long overdue. Just because I said I was going to upload every other day, and I was supposed to upload yesterday, but I don't know what happened to the ending of me showing y'all this previously before. So yeah, here is my new channel. As y'all know, I still have my other channel. If you want to watch my weekly vlogs, which are going to be up on Sundays. So basically, this is kind of more of like behind the scenes and just stuff that I just don't plan out. I just do in the day. This is what this channel is for. If you want to watch me throughout the week. Basically, just take vlogs off. I made it pretty easy. And you just come to this channel. As y'all can see, I used to do like maintenance vlogs. But these are just going to be weekly vlogs from now on. Last time I uploaded was almost a month ago, which is a weekly vlog. But I'm trying to differentiate the 2. So like stuff that I do like home renovation, shopping, all of that stuff is going to be on this channel. And this one I'm almost to 1,000. Kudos to me. But yeah, y'all, so those are my 2 channels that I have. Like I said, the one that I did or created, which was the I Am Nicole Vlogs, is for like just behind the scenes and just stuff that I just don't feel like including in my weekly vlogs. So like if me and my husband go out, or we're just doing stuff, you know, modifications to the cars maybe. Not modifications to the cars, because we have our own channel that we're creating for that, which is a couples channel. So y'all stay tuned for that one as well, y'all. I'm gonna be operating 3 channels, oh my god, and 3 TikToks and stuff like this. So it's a lot of content for y'all to see. And then we're also about to start streaming on Twitch, so y'all stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be doing like my desk setup and stuff like that in my weekly vlog that is going to be up probably next week. So the rest of my stuff probably come at the end of this week, so I can start, you know, recording and stuff for that vlog for next week. But I have a new vlog coming for here, so, and also for the new channel. So y'all just stay tuned. Thank y'all for the support. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and share the video. And I'll see you guys in a video either tomorrow or the next day. See ya.